Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't waste time later. Confirm your Merchant Center feed is active and products are approved, and make sure your Google Ads account is linked. Once done, open the shopping campaign where you'll test keywords and either create a new ad group or use a draft. You do this because shopping uses product data, so structural clarity prevents mismatches. Make sure targeting and budgets match the product intent before you attempt keyword-like control. Now you shape which queries trigger your shopping ads by segmenting products into product groups with custom labels and by assigning priorities. This lets you bid differently per set. Then, add negative keywords at the campaign or ad group level to remove irrelevant searches. You should also run search query reports and apply high-intent terms as negatives or adjustments. Finally, combine these with smart bidding signals so bids reflect conversion likelihood. Because shopping relies on to finish, you monitor performance and iterate. Review search terms weekly, add negatives for wasteful queries, and increase bids for high-intent searches. Run experiments to test changes and watch CPA, ROAS, and click-through rate so you know what moves the needle. If things go wrong, check for feed attribute mismatches, Merchant Center disapprovals, or broken account links. Fixing those usually restores expected traffic. One key tip: when traffic drops unexpectedly, recheck product approval status first, then bidding rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.